love that song, it is amazing! Oh, one of my favorite artists, yeah!
Lo que dicen en la calle sobre mí, y no te voy a negar. Estamos claros y ya. No te lo voy a negar. No te lo puedo negar. Estamos claros y ya. Estamos claros.
What?
Solo deja que yo te agarre, baby. Besos en el cuello.
Dad! Come on, enjoy this amazing song with me. It is pure magic. It's the best song ever. I love it.
Who on earth listened to that?
Our son, apparently. This new generation, they don't have any idea about what is music.
Yeah, they don't have it.
Okay. You're criticizing my music so much, yeah? But what kind of music do you listen when you were younger? English, Britney Spears, pop?
No way! When we were younger,
We used to.
When we were younger, we used to dance and listen our favorite music. When I was younger, I watched TV. It was totally amazing. And not only that, we used to go outside and play with our friends.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Honey, do you remember the personalized cell phones we had at the time? Technology was so creative.
I just called to say I love you. I just called to say
like a virgin, touched for the very first time, like a virgin, when your heart beats.
Enough! Yeah, I understand, yeah? Your generation was better, your artist, the music you listen to, but I don't understand what is this. I only ask you about what kind of music did you listen to when you were younger, but you're talking about all this? I'm tired. You know what? I think that it's time to go out with my friends, yes. Oh, what is it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going out right now. Yeah, I have a wonderful party. Mom, Dad, did you have some money to give me?
You know what? Say to your inspirational artist to give you money.
To Nicky Jam? Daddy!
say something, I'm giving up